Welcome to TMD Motorhomes here in Birmingham. We are proud to be the Midlands Malibu Centre. Today we'd like to show you around the First Class 2 rooms GT Skyview. This is 180 brake horsepower automatic, comes with all the Fiat packs on and also packed full of goodies from Malibu. We have got awning, it's in our Tents grey, dinette converts into a bed, detachable tow bar, upgraded heater, full LED headlights, lots more, and all this for under £90,000. Take a look at our website for the full specification details. So for more information on this fantastic quality motorhome, give the team here at TMD Motorhomes a call.